In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Microsoft Office 2024 version. This is not a cracked version. It does not require activation and it does not require any product key. We'll be using the official website or the official portal of Microsoft to do this, and we'll follow the Lego way to actually download and install this Microsoft Office 2024. Just make sure you stick to the end of this video so that you don't get to miss any steps that is involved in this whole process. Now let's get started. Simply open your browser. And once you open your browser, do well to type Office Deployment 2. Once that opens, you can see this very first link. Do well to click on this very first link. That's the official website of Microsoft. And once it opens, you can see this Office Deployment 2. Make sure that the English is selected. Now do well to click on this download, and the download will immediately begin. You can see that it is already downloaded here for us. After this download, you can still do well to open the next tab and type Office Customization 2. Hit your enter. Now, on this search result, you can see this Office Customization 2, and from here you can see that is from the official website of Microsoft. Now, let's do well to click on it. Once you do that, you will see that the portal or the official website will open, and here you are going to do a whole lot of customization that you will follow in order to download and install this Microsoft Office 2024 version. Now, in the first place, you see where it says select the architecture of your system. You already know the architecture of your system, if it is 32-bit or 64-bit. Do well to select the one that is suitable for your system. After that, you will see Office Suite. Click on this Office Suite. Here you see Office LTSC Professional plus 2024 volume license. Click on it. And once you click on it, do well to scroll down. On this very place, you see the list of apps that you can actually install in this Microsoft Office. If you don't need any of them, you can just do well to uncheck it. For instance, if I don't need Publisher, I can just do well to uncheck it. If I don't need Outlook, I do well to uncheck it. Uncheck this particular one, uncheck this one, uncheck this one. For me, I don't need them. These are the ones I need: Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. After that, click on Next. And here you select the language of your choice. For me, I will select English United States. If your language is any of these, the one that is suitable for you, do well to select it. After that, click on Next. Now click on Next. Click on Next. Then click on Next. Click on Next. After this, scroll and click on Finish. The moment you are done with this, you are going to click on this export area. Now click on the export to export this customization that we have just done. On this very place, you are going to select this Office Open XML format. Now after that, click on OK. Now you are going to accept the license term agreement and make sure that you leave it on this file name configuration. After which, click on export, and this will be exported to your system. Now you can see all of that. Click here to see the download. Now you can see what we just downloaded, this Office Deployment 2 and the customization that we have done. The next thing you need to do is that you simply create a new folder and put these two files there. Let the name of that folder be Microsoft Office 2024. Once you are done with that, copy these two files and put here. You can see they're already in this very place. After which you have to double click on this Office Deployment tool. Once you double click on it, you will see it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes. Now click here to accept the license term agreement, then click continue. Now select this very particular folder that we have just created. You can see we have it under download, and you can see Microsoft Office 2024. Click OK. This will be extracted into this particular folder. You can see this setup, you can see this configuration, and this, all of these things will be in this particular folder. Once you are done with this, do well to copy this folder to your local disk, which is this C drive, and here you simply do well to paste it. The moment you are done with this, the next step you need to follow is you open your CMD prompt on the search bar. Once you open it, run it as administrator. Then click on yes. Now, go back to that folder that is on the C drive. Just simply click on it and copy the file path. Open the command prompt and type cd, then paste the file path of that folder that we created. Now click on enter. Now this opens this particular folder that is on this C drive. If you are done with that, go back to your Google Chrome browser and type Office Deployment to 2024. Hit your enter. Now click on this. Now, the moment this particular page opens, all you just need to do is to scroll down, and you will see where it shows us this install Office LTC 2024 by using the Office Deployment tool. You see this console, do well to copy this. You can see setup space / configures space configuration.xml. Now copy it and go back to that command prompt and paste it. The moment you paste it, hit your enter. Now you will see that the download and the installation process will automatically begin in your laptop or your PC. You can see that. Now what you need to do is that you make sure that your network is strong for this installation, because if your network is not strong, it will obstruct this download, and at the end of the day you may have issue with the download. So let's just wait while the download is taking place. Now, if you've not subscribed up to this stage, please do well to subscribe. It's one way of you encouraging us to do more on this particular channel. It will be greatly appreciated. You can see that the installation is completely done. Now let's just click on this close to close what we've done. Now on this command prompt, do it, type exit to close the window. Now let's go over to our search bar and type Word. Now you can see this word, just click on it. The moment you click on it, you will discover that this opens up for you to get started using it. You can see accept the license agreement. Click on accept. Now click on close and all of that. Now click on blank document. Now you can see that a whole new blank document has opened for us to get started with whatever we wish to do on this environment. Now you can also do it to search out for Excel. You can see Excel package on this very place. It is also opening up for you. Just do it to click on blank document, click OK. And if you also type PowerPoint, you also see PowerPoint that is also part of what we actually installed. You can see all of that. And so this is just the simple way you can follow to download and install your Microsoft Office 2024 version. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to this channel. It's a way to encourage us to do more on this particular channel. Thank you so much.